Get ready for fun. Google Messages now brings emoji to life with animations. Have you ever wished your emojis could do a little dance when you send them? Well, now they can. Google Messages is stepping up its game, bringing a splash of excitement to your texting experience with full-screen animations that play alongside your emojis. This new feature is rolling out in the latest beta version of Google Messages for Android, and it's about to make your chats a whole lot more fun. If you've ever used iMessage, you know how delightful full-screen message effects can be. They add a touch of flair to your conversations, and now Google is making it just as easy for Android users to enjoy this feature. Instead of having to type specific phrases or manually select effects, all you need to do is send a single emoji. Yes, you heard that right, just one emoji can trigger a vibrant animation that will dazzle both you and your texting partner, as long as they are also on the beta. So, how do you get in on this fun? Currently, Google is testing this exciting new feature, which means you'll need to become a beta tester for Google Messages to try it out. It's super simple. Just follow this link to join the beta program or head over to the Play Store page for Google Messages, tap on Become a Tester, and follow the easy instructions. Once you're all set up, just send an emoji like the clap, sleep, or party emoji to your friends and watch the magic happen. Keep in mind that to see the full screen effect, you'll need to stick to just one emoji. If you send a message with text or multiple emojis, the animation won't play. Previously, you had to send two of the same emoji to trigger an effect, but this new beta makes it even easier. Personally, I find these animations delightful. They are like a mini celebration every time you hit send. Now, if you find that these animations are popping up too often for your liking, don't worry. You can easily turn them off. Just tap on your profile icon in Google Messages, go to Settings, and disable the Show Expressive Animations option. But honestly, who would want to miss out on the fun? So, get ready to add some pizzazz to your messages. With Google Messages' new full-screen emoji animations, your chats are about to become a lot more lively and entertaining.